In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed Microsoft Forms. This process will help you analyze responses efficiently, whether for a quiz or a survey. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine you prefer. Once you enter the search term, look for the official Microsoft Forms link. This is crucial because using the official site ensures you're accessing the most up-to-date features and security. After locating the correct link, click on it to proceed. You will see a clean interface that welcomes you to Microsoft Forms. This is your starting point for managing and reviewing your forms. Next, if prompted, log into your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password in the fields provided. This step is vital for accessing your forms and maintaining your account's security. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow those prompts as well. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your created forms and quizzes. This logging in process ensures that your data remains private and secure, allowing you to manage your forms effectively. From there, click on the specific form or quiz you want to review. On your dashboard, all your forms will be displayed in a list format. Take your time to find the one you are interested in. This action is important because it allows you to focus on the data that matters most to you. Once you click on the desired form, it will open to reveal detailed options and responses related to that specific form. You'll find that this targeted approach saves you from sifting through unnecessary data. Now look at the top center of the screen layout. Here, you will see the Responses tab located right next to the Questions tab. Clicking on this tab is essential as it directs you to the data collected from respondents. You will notice a shift in the content displayed on your screen. The Responses tab provides a comprehensive overview of all the answers submitted, making it easier for you to analyze the results at a glance. This tab is your gateway to understanding how participants interacted with your form. Once you are on the Responses tab, you have three primary ways to inspect your completed data. Each method provides unique insights. First, let's discuss the visual summary. This feature automatically generates colorful, real-time pie charts, bar graphs, and word clouds summarizing the answers for every question. This visual representation makes it easy to grasp trends and patterns in the data. By utilizing these visuals, you can quickly identify key responses without getting lost in numbers. Next, you can inspect individual submissions. Click the Review Answers button or View Results if it is a quiz. This opens a clean page where you can use the left and right arrow buttons to flip through each person's completed form one by one. This detailed view allows you to see exactly how each participant answered. This method is particularly useful for understanding individual perspectives, which can be very insightful. Finally, you can open the full dataset in Excel. Click the green Open in Excel button or Sync Results to Excel for the web. This instantly generates a spreadsheet containing every completed entry, row by row, along with submission timestamps and email logs. Accessing your data in Excel allows for more extensive analysis and manipulation. This step is beneficial for users who need to perform detailed evaluations or share results with others. By following these steps, you can efficiently view completed Microsoft Forms and analyze responses effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing!